अल-हकम हफ्त रोज़ा है, ये भी मुख्तलिफ़ वेबसाइट्स पे एप्लीकेशंस पे है और अल्लाह ताला की फज़ल से अंग्रेज़ी दान तबके के लिए काफ़ी मददगार साबित हो रहा है ख़बरें और मालूमात और तारीख़ पहुँचाने में।
Al-Hakam was originally launched in 1897 by the Promised Messiah ﷺ. But just last year, it was relaunched in English edition by Hazrat Amir al-Mu'mineen, may Allah be his helper. Hazrat Muslih Maud Raziyallahu Anhu once referred to this publication as a vital organ for the propagation of Islam Ahmadiyya. One of the aims of the magazine is to keep the members of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community aware of the activities of Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya around the world. And this year in the exhibition, they have a number of historical articles on display.
Okay, so this year we have a couple of unique things in Al-Hakam exhibition. So as you know, Al-Hakam was started during the time of the Prophet Messiah Islam, and this is the very first issue of Al-Hakam in 1890.
Very first publication of
Al-Hakam.
Al-Hakam.
In 1897 is the original copy as well. For this year's exhibition, what we've done is we've highlighted the most interesting pieces of Al-Hakam throughout the years. So for example, this was a piece done about the demise of the Prophet Messiah Islam, when he was passing away, what was the condition, and some of information about his last relics as well. For example, this was the last table he used, the last clock he used as well. So people have been coming and they've found these kind of things very interesting. So another new aspect of this year is a video of Liwaya Ahmadiyyat 1988, and this video has Huzur in it as well. So Huzur, at that time when Liwaya Ahmadiyyat was taken out, Huzur was there and he was pictured. One thing very special about Al-Hakam is the unique interviews which Huzur graciously gives as well. So this one is about Huzur in Qadian, all of his recollections of how he used to do duty with his father in Langar Khana. People really enjoying these things. This article was read a lot by our viewers, and this was by Sadat Mirza Waqar Sahib about his own father, and he wrote about how Huzur is a great model for his children and of course the Jamaat as well, and he gave some insight into Huzur's life.
Al-Hakam